This video is about how to create a Google AdSense account for a website. Now on the AdSense website, you need to click this button, Get Started, then sign into your Google account on this next screen. And after that, you can enter your website URL and choose whether you want to receive communications from AdSense. The next thing is to select your country, then agree to the terms and the conditions of AdSense, and then go on to start using AdSense. And on your AdSense account, you need to provide and verify your personal information and connect your website to AdSense and allow AdSense to review your information. And after your application is approved, you can set and view how ads will appear on your website. And on this left hand side, you can explore all these sections, including account and payments, where you need to make your settings accordingly. And to start receiving payments from AdSense, you need first to verify your AdSense account through a PIN from AdSense. And according to AdSense terms and conditions, you can only have one AdSense account. And if your AdSense account remains inactive for 6 months, it will be deactivated. And to delete your AdSense account, you need to go to the account section, then account information, and go on to close down your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.